Good morning, everyone. It's your English class, and today we are going to study our Unit 2. Basically, in this lecture, we are going to revise our second unit of our course book. So, regarding this, I will put some internal question. So, let's start. So, dear students, my first question is that state the names of the lessons and the poem of second unit. You need to let me know the names of the lessons and the given poem of second unit. So please raise your hand if you know the answer. Let me do some setting from my end. Let me extend this box so that I can see the hand of everyone. Okay, yes, Muskan, you please tell me. Muskan,
Yes,
raise
sir.
your.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, the last leave, his first flight, and if.
Yes, very good. Means two lessons we have studied. The last leave, his first flight, and if. Yes, answer you can see here. The last leave, his first flight, and if poem we have studied. Very good. You have given the right answer. Come on, the next question. Next question is that. Wait, please. Yes. Next question is that who is the author of the chapter The Last Leaf? Can you tell? Author name is written there. Can you tell what's the name of the author of The Last Leaf? Yug, you please tell me.
Sir O. Henry.
Very good. O. Henry, that's the author of the chapter The Last Leaf. Very good. You have given the right answer. Next question. State the main characters of the first chapter, The Last Leaf. So, dear students, you need to let me know the main characters of this chapter. So, who are the main characters in this chapter? I think 4 main characters are there. So, you need to let me know. Okay, Ekansh, you please tell me. 3 or 4 main characters are here.
Sir, Mr. Berman, Sui, and Johnsy, and Sir Doctor.
3 are there. Johnsy, Sue, the doctor, and
And
fourth,
Mr. Berman.
Mr.
Mr. Berman.
Behrman. Very good.
Sir,
Right
Mr.
answer.
Berman.
Yes, very good. Right answer. So 4 main characters are there: Sue, Jonesy, Behrman, and the doctor. Very good. You have Ekansh. You have given the right answer. So by this, dear students, I want to check that you study or not, right? So please try to give the answer in this way, and don't fear from the wrong answer. Means if you think that my answer can be wrong, so don't fear to give the answer. Give the answer. I want to say that you must give the answer, because main thing is that to get the dare to give the answer. Clear? My next question is that who got the illness? So someone got illness in this chapter. So please let me know who got the illness. Sue, Jonesy, Behrman, and the doctor. Who got the illness? Natik, you please tell me. Natik has raised his hand. Natik, you please tell me what can be the answer of this. Natik. Natik, last time also you started playing something. So it's my last warning. Don't do like that. Otherwise, you will be removed permanently from the meeting. Okay. Nitya, you please tell me. Nitya, please tell me who got the illness.
Yes, sir.
Yes, give me the
Johnsy.
Jonesy. Very good. You have given the right answer. Jonesy got the illness. Along with this, the Behrman also, that old painter also got the illness. Okay. Next question is that what was the name of the illness? So which Jonesy got, what was the name of that illness? Can anyone let me know that? What is the name of the illness which Jonesy got? Manika, you please tell me. Manika, you please tell me. What can be the answer of this? Manika, we are not getting you. Please stop the video and just start your mic only. Again, give the answer, Manika. I did not get the answer. Stop the video, Manika, please. Now just turn on your mic only. Manika, again, give the answer, please.
Sir, pneumonia.
Very good. Pneumonia, that was the name of the illness. Very good. Good, Manika. You have given the right answer. So my next question is that what was the name of the wine? So you need to let me know the name of the wine. Is there anyone who can tell me? Rupal, you please tell me. Name of the wine?
Ivy wine.
Very good. Ivy wine is the name of that wine. Very good. Okay, so my next question is that what was the stupid imagination which Jonesy create? What was the stupid imagination which Jonesy create about her death? So I think something she like thought that like she will die. So what was that imagination? So regarding this, you have to let me know. Is there anyone who can let me know? Ekansh has raised his hand. Ekansh, yes, please tell me.
Sir, the stupid imagination which Jonesy create is that when the last leaf of the ivy vine will fall, I will also die.
Very good, right answer. So like she thought that like with the last leaf she will die. So stupid imagination was that with the last falling leaf she would die. Very good, right answer. Ekansh, you have given. So dear students, try to give the answer as Ekansh has given that. Okay. And dear students, one thing more, don't like copy from your book or from internet. Just try to give the answer in your own words. Okay. My next question is that what did Behrman do to save the Jonesy? What did Behrman do to save the Jonesy? This we have to tell. Is Rupal, you please tell me.
He painted the last leaf.
He painted the last leaf, means last leaf was there. So just after folding it, he painted that last leaf so that Jonesy understood that like the last leaf is there and like she got again well. Very good, right answer you have given.
Yes.
So answer we can see here. He painted a ivy leaf which appeared real and it saved Jonesy's life. Very good, right answer. So my next question is that what happened with the Behrman after painting that ivy leaf? What happened with the Behrman after painting that ivy leaf? यानी कि उस आईवी लीफ को पेंट करने के बाद बेहरमैन के साथ क्या हुआ था? So who can let me know? Come on, students, please try to give the answer. Get the dare to give the answer. Nathal, you please tell me. Nathal, you please tell me. I think, okay. Ekansh, can you tell?
Sir, after painting that ivy leaf, he saved Jonesy's life and he died.
He died. Yes, he got the illness and he died. Very good, right answer. He got pneumonia and soon died. Very good, right answer, Ekansh. Very good, beta. Next question is that what did Jonesy want to paint? Something was described or something was the wish of the Jonesy to paint that. Can you tell me what did Jonesy want to paint? Jonesy क्या paint करना चाहती थी? So who can give me the answer? Manika, you please tell me.
Sir, she wanted to paint Bay of Naples.
Bay of Naples. Very good. Right answer. The Bay of Naples she wanted to paint. Good answer. Next question. Yeah, before like going on the next chapter, dear students, one more like most important question I want to ask from you, and some brilliant student give the answer of this question. Okay, So question is that, can you describe the summary of our first chapter, the last leaf? Is there anyone who can describe the summary of our first chapter, the last leaf? And it is not necessary that you should explain all the points. Some points, if you know that, you can explain, but try to explain in your own words. Are you getting my point? So please try to describe the summary of this chapter, the last leaf. I'm not saying that you need to complete like you need to describe complete summary. If half summary, if you know, and some points you know, then you can try to describe. Manika, you please tell me. Hmm.
In Greenwich Village, at the top of three-story house,
Hmm.
Sue and Jonesy had their studio. This was in May. In November,
Hmm.
and Jonesy smoked and she lay scarcely moving.
Hmm.
One morning, busy doctor invited Sue to hallway. She had one chance in 10, he said. She wanted to paint the Bay of Naples.
Hmm. Manika,
Paint
give the
wash,
answer.
said the doctor.
Manika, don't read from the book. Give the answer in your own words. Whatever you know about this chapter, please try to tell us. No need to read from the book, please.
After the
Hmm.
then the doctor gone to the workroom and tried a napkin to a pulp. Jonesy's eyes were open. She was looking out of the window.
Okay, very good.
Sue said, "What are you counting
Manika,
out
wait,
of the
please wait.
window?" Jonesy said,
Manika, wait, please. Yes, good. It's enough. You have tried very well. Good, beta. But like students, I'm expecting from you all, you should try to give the answer in your own words. I do not want to listen whatever written that is like same words, same sentences which are written in the book. So try to give the answer in your own words. Okay, you can tell us some points, but try to give the answer. Try to tell that those points in your own words. Yug Chaudhary, you please tell me the summary of this chapter.
Sir, the Jonesy is a poor man, and sir, he is ill from pneumonia.
Pneumonia.
And sir, he believes in ivy vine
Good.
on the wall outside her window,
Hmm.
and its loses by leaves.
Hmm.
Her neighbor Behrman, an artist,
Hmm.
and he has tricked to by painting a leaf on the wall.
Very good, very good. Good, Yog. So, dear students, in this way, I was expecting the answer. Simple, like in simple words, in simple language, you can give me the answer. Simply, you can say in this chapter, there are two girls, and they were the best friends. One name is Jonesy, second name is Sue. So, they both were the painters. So, what happened? One day, Jonesy got the pneumonia. So in this video, when step by step, you can explain the summary. I do not want to like listen that same words, same sentences which are written in the book. Some point you can skip, some point you can describe, but try to describe all the words, all the like matters, all the points in your own language, so that your English will be improved. Clear? And understanding also will be improved. Okay. Now please come on the next point, next question. Now I'm going to ask about his first flight chapter. So first, his first flight. Regarding this, I'm going to ask some question. So again, I want to ask you, what's the name of the author of the chapter? Of this chapter means his first flight. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. Ekansh, you please tell me.
Sir Liam O'Flaherty.
Yes, Liam O'Flaherty. Very good, right answer. So answer you can see. Liam O'Flaherty. Very good. So next question is that, Who is the main character in this chapter? I think there are many main characters, but one is there that is the protagonist of this chapter. यानी कि जो main मुख्य character है वो आपको बताना है. Regarding what this chapter is about, so can you let me know? Muskan, can you tell me about what is this chapter?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Sir, the young seagull.
Yes, this chapter is about a young seagull. Very good, right answer. A young seagull. Seagull is a type of a bird. Usually, these birds are found near the sea. Our next question is that where was he sitting? So, like that was described in the starting lines that he was sitting somewhere. So, can you let me know where was he sitting? Ikansh, yes, please. You please tell me.
Sir, he was sitting on the ledge.
On the ledge. Ledge means like something which has come out of any rock part, यानी कि चट्टान का कोई ऐसा part जो आगे निकला हो, that is called ledge. Ledge. On the ledge. Very good. Why was he not able to fly? Means his brothers and his sister were flying that, but he was not able to fly. What do you think? What was the cause regarding this? Why was he not able to fly? Who can let me know? Manika, you please tell me.
Because he is afraid of flying.
Because he was afraid and he did not get the dare and he thought that his wings will not support him. That's why he could not fly. Very good, right answer. He could not gather the courage to fly. Same thing. Next question is that did his brothers and sister fly? Did his brothers and sister fly? Give the answer either in yes or no. Prince, you please tell me. Prince, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Right answer. That's a yes. Yes, like his brothers and sister flied there. So I flew there, not flight. Next, who tempted him to fly? यानी किसने उसको लालच दिया उड़ने के लिए, fly करने के लिए? Who tempted him to fly? Who can let me know? Okay, Prince, again you can tell if you know the answer. Who
Sir,
tempted
her parents.
her parents? No, not parents means like his father and mother, but one person's just one, either mother or father, like attempted him to fly. So you need to tell me one name.
Mother, sir.
Yes, his mother. Very good, right answer. His mother tempted him to fly, यानी उसकी mother ने उसको लालच दिया उड़ने के लिए. Next question is that how did she tempt him to fly? यानी कि उसने इसको कैसे लालच दिया था? क्या किया था उसने उसको लालच दिया और उसकी वजह से वो उड़ा? क्या किया था ऐसा उसने? So try to give the answer in your own words. Rishabh, you please tell me. Rishabh, can you give me the answer?
Sir,
Hmm?
he ate the.
Hmm.
He ate the.
Hmm. Sia, give the answer in your own words. Don't copy from the book. Hmm. Hello. Okay. Anyone else?
Mother and father.
Hmm. Okay. Anyone else who can give the answer? उसकी मदर ने ऐसा क्या किया था जिसकी वजह से वो उड़ पाया? कैसे उसको लालच दिया था? How did she tempt him to fly? Okay, I tell you the answer. She took a piece of fish and started moving towards him, but she halted just out of his reach, outside the ledge. This forced him to dive and he started falling and flying. जैसे ही वो यानी उसकी मदर थी जो थी, उसने अपनी एक फिश का एक पीस लिया और उसकी तरफ मूव करने लगी, बढ़ने लगी, परंतु उसके बिल्कुल पास तक नहीं पहुंची और उसको उसकी लेज के किनारे तक आ गई और उसने जो यंग सी गर्ल था उसने फिश को पकड़ने के लिए जंप कर दिया, डाइव कर दिया, तो उस तरह वो स्पेस में गिरने लगा और उसके बाद उसने फ्लाई करना शुरू किया. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस. ओके, next question. Yeah, before coming on the next next question and next poem, I want to again ask you, can you tell me, can you describe the summary of this chapter, his first flight, in simple language, in simple words? In a few words you need to describe the summary of this chapter in your own words. Is there anyone who has dared to describe? Again, I'm telling you, if you describe half summary, if you describe some points, not all the points, that's enough for me. But try to give the answer. It's a very easy question. You can give the answer. Some hints I can give you. Very good. Ekansh, please try to show you a dare to give the answer, because some brilliant student can give the answer of this question. Yug Chaudhary, yes. You please come forward and describe the summary.
Sir, his first flight. Sir, the young seagull was afraid of flying.
Very good.
And sir, his mother wants to fly. Sir, the young seagull lives on ledge.
Good.
And the sir, young seagull is left alone, is afraid to fly. And he is the one most among slow learners.
Good, very
Sir,
good.
the young seagull need motivation.
Very good. So dear students, in this way you have to show your dare. Okay, if you try, that's enough for me. Either your answer is right or wrong. Ekansh, you please tell me. Ekansh, can you describe the summary of this chapter? His first flight, whatever you have understood.
Yes. Sir, the young seagull was alone on his ledge. His brothers and sisters are able to fly, but he was not able to fly. Sir, he was afraid of his wing, that his wings does not support him to fly, and her mother took a piece of fish and flying around him, and she jumped to take the fish.
Very
And
good.
then she fly.
Very good, right. Dear students, in this way you have to give the answer. Very good, Ekansh, you have given the right answer. So I was expecting you all. Okay, now please move on the next question regarding if poem. We are I'm just going to ask some question, and this will be the internal question. So first question is that same. Who is the author of the poem If? Who can let me know that? Muskan, you please tell me. Muskan.
Yes, sir. Sir, Rudyard Kipling.
Rudyard Kipling. Very good, right answer. Good, beta. Next question is that what do you understand by keep your head? What do you understand by keep your head? That's the phrase. What do you understand by this? Ekansh, can you tell?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. I tell you, but anyone else who can let me know the answer of this? Muskan, keep your head.
Yes, sir. So keep your head means to maintain our composure. Everything around us is falling apart.
Very good, right answer. In simple words, we can say that remain calm, यानी कि शांत रहना, चुप रहना, अपने धैर्य को ना खोना. That's called keep your head. Clear? यानी कि अपने मस्तिष्क पे कंट्रोल रखना. Next, what do you understand by loving friends? What do you understand by loving friends? That phrase also described in this chapter, loving friends. Loving friends का मतलब क्या होता है? Okay, I tell you. It means good friends. Loving means जिसको हम प्यार करते हैं. Those are our good friends. Okay. Next. What do you understand by foes? Foes. What do you understand by foes? Yes, who will let me know? Rupal, you please tell me.
Enemies.
Yes, very good. Enemies, that's called foes. Good answer. Next question. What might the word knives mean? What might the word knives mean? Actually, here was like spelling mistake or like typing mistake. So I want to ask here, what is the meaning of word live knives mean? Knife means से अब क्या मतलब knife का meaning क्या है? Okay, I tell you the answer. The word knife means a dishonest person, dishonest man. Clear? Okay, I think it's enough for today, dear students. If you want to ask any question regarding today's class, then you can ask.